Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your contact picture to be displayed in full screen whenever you're receiving a call on your iPhone. First, you'll need to go into Settings. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Phone. From here, you're going to tap on Incoming Calls. At the moment, you can see that it is set at banner. You want to tap on full screen. The next thing that you're going to do, you're going to go into your gallery and you're going to select the photo that you would like to set for the contact. As even when you select full screen right there in settings, it will still come in a circular style unless you do these steps. You'll need to go into photos. And from here, you'll select the photo that you would like to set for the contact. Then you're going to tap on Edit in the top right hand corner. And you're going to tap on the box icon in the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you're going to tap on the box icon in the top right hand corner, right beside the pencil. Then you'll scroll across and you're going to select 2x3. Then tap on Done. After you have done that and you have saved it, you're going to go into Contacts. And you'll simply select the contact that you would like to add that picture for. Then select Edit. Then you're going to tap on Edit right below the photo. Then you'll tap on the photo icon right beside the camera. And from here, you'll search for the photo that you had edited. This one right here. And you'll simply zoom in. Then you'll tap on Choose. Then tap on Done. Then tap on Done again. Then Done again. And that's it. If someone should call you right now, it will be displayed in full screen.